Hello everyone. Self belief and hard work will always earn success. And this thing I only got to know because of Evision. I am very glad to share my experience with Evision. My name is Nazneen Bagban Bal Singh and I'm basically from Karnataka. As concerned to my academic qualification, I have done BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, in 2017. Then I was in the search of job. So then I got to know about the evision through a call from a Dipti ma'am. Then I started internship of 45 days. In that the internship journey was very interesting and learning. Like I got to know many more new things to learn, like virtualization, Windows administration, Linux administration, cybersecurity, troubleshooting, and ITIL, and many more things. And as soon as I completed my internship, I started getting interview calls from many companies, and now I have a job opportunity with two companies. I have offer with two companies, that is CMS IT Services and Credence Global Solution, with a package of 3 LPA. I'm very happy and very thankful with to Evision. Thank you so much.